Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can track changes in Google Docs. So let's say you have a document that you've shared with your colleague and you want to make some few changes to the document, but then you want your colleague to know that you've done that. I will show you how to do that in this tutorial. So by default in Google Docs, this is the editing mode. So the first thing to do is to come to this pen icon. This is editing mode. By default is in editing mode. Click on this drop down and go to suggesting. So this will change from editing mode to suggesting mode. So let's click on suggesting. Okay, so now you are suggesting. We are in suggesting mode. Okay. So let's do some few changes to this document. I want to add some few text to this. I want to add this is a document. So notice that as I added this text, it's reflecting here and it is inside this quotes. So this is a document. So if my colleague checks this, he or she will know that I've made these changes. I've added text to this. So when you are in suggesting mode, you can either accept suggestion or reject suggestion. So let's say I accept the suggestion. I'll click on this. So the test I added automatically becomes part of the test. But let's say I reject let's add another test. This is the document for you. Okay, so now I want to reject this test. This for you, I don't want it to be there. I want to reject this test. So click on reject suggestion and the test has been deleted automatically. So another thing is if you can delete a test like this. So when you delete a test, it won't leave, it won't delete. It will just be there will be like a strike. This is a strike through until you either accept the suggestion or reject the suggestion. So that's how you can track changes in Google Docs. So you can go back to this pen icon and go back to editing mode. So when you are in editing mode, any changes you make will be permanent. Any changes you make in the editing mode will be permanent, or like the suggesting mode. So you can share this with your colleague or your friend. When you are done, just include the email here and then change the settings. You can either make your colleague an editor or just a viewer and a commenter. So that's how to track changes in Google Docs. I hope you liked this video. If you do, let me know in the comments below what you think. Give me a thumbs up, share my video, and please subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in my next video.